Hey guys, I'm out here at Circle K and I'm ready to explore the Carolinas on a one-tank trip. Come on! All right, folks, I filled my car up and I'm ready to hit the road. Before I put the address into my GPS, though, I need some tips, and that's why I'm joined by my good friend
Jennifer Radonich from the Community Development Manager of Distinctly Fayetteville, North Carolina. And Jennifer, look.
As the summer is winding down and we head into the fall, tell me about some events that are going to be happening in Fayetteville.
We are starting our weekend a little early with an immersive art installation downtown called Emotion. It is 8 interactive seesaws that have water in the middle and play the soothing sounds of the ocean. Then we lead into the weekend on Friday with Fiesta Latina, which will have live music, live flamenco performances, a beautiful exhibit at the Arts Council. And then we kick off the 46th annual International Folk Festival, which is truly a beautiful representation of our community. It starts with the Parade of Nations. You can get food from every corner of the world you could imagine. And it's one of, I think, our most beautiful festivals we have to offer.
Talk about a ton of events. You guys have everything going on. I love a cold beer and some good stand-up comedy. Am I going to be able to find any comedy when I get to Fayetteville?
Fayetteville gives amazing comedy every week. Hattie's Irish Public House on Thursdays. On the church side, you can get the Comedy Couch, Comedy and Cocktails. They also do a grown-up spelling bee, which there's one Friday, which is really a good time. It's kind of comedy light, really. Adults getting on stage and spelling is pretty amusing.
Wow, Jennifer, Fayetteville, North Carolina really has a ton to offer. But look, fall is here. Temperatures are dropping, and I have little ones too. What does Fayetteville, North Carolina have in store for spooky season for the little ones?
Well, you can head to Gallberry Farms in Hope Mills. You can do the corn maze. They have hay rides. You can make s'mores, pick a pumpkin, or you can head to Cape Fear Botanical Garden. They do an amazing botanical spooky celebration over there, which is family-friendly fun for all. And if anytime, you can head to our website, distinctlyfayetteville.nc.com. We pull a calendar of events, which is just an amazing resource any time of year.
That's perfect. Now I've got all the questions, and I'm ready
to hit the road on this one-tank trip. Time to find Fayetteville, North Carolina, and have some fun.
One Tank Trips on QC Morning is sponsored by Circle K Fuel. It's time to fuel your next big adventure.